As Prince Harry gears up for a visit to the UK this week, speculation is rife about whether he'll reunite with his father, King Charles. But here's the burning question: will Harry get to see his busy dad amidst his packed schedule and ongoing health concerns? Stick around as we unravel the latest updates and dive into the complexities of royal family dynamics. Prince Harry's upcoming trip to Britain coincides with an event just miles away from his father, who continues to undergo treatment for cancer. While Harry is reportedly eager to reconnect with King Charles during his visit, no official meeting has been scheduled as of yet. Sources reveal that King Charles's calendar is already packed, with weekly audiences and a Buckingham Palace garden party on the agenda. His return to public duties follows his recent cancer diagnosis, with engagements being managed based on medical advice. Harry's anticipated visit sparks questions about potential family reunions, especially given the strained relationship between Harry and his brother, Prince William. Reports suggest their bond has been further strained by Harry's revelations in his memoir and subsequent media appearances. Despite hopes for reconciliation, Harry's visit is not expected to include meetings with William or his wife, Meghan. However, Harry expressed optimism about family unity during his previous visit in February, emphasizing the importance of coming together during challenging times. And there you have it, folks! The latest developments surrounding Prince Harry's visit to the UK and the looming question of whether he'll reunite with his father amidst busy schedules and strained family dynamics. What are your thoughts on this potential family reunion? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Celeb Explore Hub. Until next time, stay tuned.